testing a battery power for the other side.
Hit the buttons over here.
Okay. I don't think they're working. That one's working.